Right, final thing I want to show you chat. I want to show you visitors online. So it's going to, as you go online, you can obviously, you can go offline, go invisible so that you can view people on your site without it showing up. So it says help. You are not live to the customer. They will just create tickets to you. When you go live, you can, it will say chat there, right? So I'm going to show that in a second. But I see that this person's live. Let me just reload that to make sure it's still seeing it in invisible. And I believe you're viewing start a chat. So if you know who that person is, and if it remembers their IP address or anything like that, it will come up with information. If you've talked to them before, it will come up with information. So if I'll do it the other way around to show you exactly what will happen. So if I go online, this here will say chat. Does it automatically? When I go chat, I'm going to go Paul, Nico, add my email. You want to ask people for their email for the simple fact, if you drop the chat, you need to be able to get back in touch with them. Hello, Paul. Right, start the chat. Hopefully nobody. Oh yeah, really annoying noises. I think you probably can change them. So here's your information. Here's your little request thing. If you add notifications, it would be telling you them. So I'm going to put up here, Blue Jeans Paul. Any past chats? It's been on the site 2 minutes. How did he get here? Direct traffic. Any tickets? No current tickets. I'm in Swindon. I don't know why. My computer thinks I'm always in Swindon. I'm in Doncaster. You can tell by the accent. Right, let's just try to... Here's the chat. Let's try and do it live. Hey, I'll call him Dave. How is it going? So you can see Paul Nicholson is typing here. How is it going? Enter. Dave gets his pop-up. Chat has started. And there's a ticket created. Let me just close this way. Let's see if we can do it this way. Oh, man. Hi, Paul. Now, I'm always interested. I prefer this, right? You can't see what they're typing. A lot of chat windows will show you what they're typing. And I think if you haven't told the customer that, it's very dodgy. So, I hate your videos, right? Or whatever they're going to say. But then they go, I'm struggling with your Zendesk video, right? But there's a lot of chat boxes that would have shown the person what they were typing in. It might be a setting I've turned off, I'm not sure. But I would recommend, if you're doing that, if you can see that, I'm not sure if you can or not, in here or on the other chat, say, just to let you know, I can see what you are typing. So I can answer quicker, right? So if you are using a chat, I'm not sure about Zendesk doing that or not, tell the customer you can see what they're typing. I just think it's a bit of a con if people are, if I go, how much do you want to pay? And they type in 10,000. Now, on Zendesk, it doesn't seem to be doing it. But I might have turned it off. I'm not sure. Sorry. This is just a rant for anybody else. Oh, and then they go like this. 2,000. And you go, oh, haha, they want to, right. I don't agree with it. I don't think it's very fun. But anyway, you can have your chat. You can do whatever you need to talk about. You can see their profile within your Zendesk, which will then show you tickets that they've got open. Here's the chat. I don't know why it hasn't picked up any tickets on that. Oh, because I put the wrong email address in again. Oh my God. If I'd done it, what I'll do is I'll come back and do another one. But they can just close the chat. They can add attachments. They can email the transcript to themselves. They can change sounds, edit contact details. In fact, let's edit that contact detail. Edit that. I'm not sure if it'll pick it up in the chat. Help desk, delivery, support. Change the email to Gmail. And did it pick that up? Not very good. This is really not a very good example, is it? Again, to say that I use Zendesk every day. Well, this time when you clicked on it, it showed all the open tickets to that person or all the ticket history, so that when you're running through things, you can see what you need to know. And they can close the ticket. They can end the chat. Leave a rating. Perfect. Send. Here we go. Information. Paul has left. If you want to continue again, you can reactivate it just before you go. And there's settings that you can do. I think it's hashtag. If you've got any set up, like say they say, what's the price for your favorite product? You can do a link, hashtag go, hashtag price, and it'll send them the information they want in something you've already set up. So I think you can see live chat's easy to use, even though I don't use it very often, just because obviously if I'm doing videos and someone live chats, it's harder to do. Transcripts will be sent. So if I go back, chat started, chat ended. If I go here and I believe, again, here we go, chat with. So here's the chat. Info, Pat, join the chat, left the chat. Here's the information on what that was said. So it's all in the ticket, it's all information. And both sides can see for future what was said, what was recorded, what the agent, the sales agent or the support agent promised or didn't promise, and all the information is there, and it'll go in your history and things like that. So not a great introduction, as this has been a struggle, but hopefully you're getting the gist of how chat works. And I'm going to go offline now. Invisible, which will make this button go from chat to help eventually. Invisible. So when it says help, not available, when it says chat or whatever you want to put, you can talk to them. And that's the free version of chat, so it doesn't cost anything, that one.